Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Roblox account. Follow these steps that I'm going to say in this video. So without any delays, let's get right into it. First, we have to open the Roblox app, which is I'm going to type on URL is that roblox.com and just click the enter button. So we just landed into Roblox official website. Once you are logged in, look for this setting. Look for this setting or account setting. And we could see on the right corner, we could see on the right top corner there is a setting button right here. So I'm going to click it as well. And we can see there's a lot of options here. There is setting, quick login, help, switch accounts, and logout. So I'm simply just going to click on the logout or sign out, and I will be successfully logged out of the Roblox account. So alright guys, we just logged out of the Roblox. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and avoid sharing with anyone too. Because if you have any issues logging out, then you can also contact Roblox support for assistance, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below.